All right, look. Ordered some cages from NewBreed Stunt Parts in Las Vegas. Did a whole bunch of researching on the internet before I ordered them. Unboxing videos, just videos in general, no installation videos, no nothing. So I started here with this unboxing. Haven't even seen anything yet. And then the next video will be installation. Quite a long time to get these, but I think it's gonna be worth it for the price. It's definitely worth buying. I got the full engine cage and sub cage. My bike's a 2007 Gsxr 1000. Like I said, I couldn't find any information online as far as unboxing or anything like that, installation. So I'm gonna make both of them so YouTube can thank me later. Let's see what they look like. Customer service, all that's real good. Definitely stayed in touch. Looks like there's 2 extra pucks for the sliders themselves. Pretty cool. Said that it came with all the hardware, so I'm hoping it does. Looks like some of it. Cool. Gonna be the main bolt for the bottom bar. Definitely packaged pretty good. Ordered in a custom color to match my Pro Taper handlebars, anodized red. Let's see what this looks like. Definitely packaged it really well. I made sure it stays safe. Just gonna try to open this without fucking up the paint. There we go. Pretty good. Pretty good color match. Here's the first one. Let me get both of them. Get everything out now. Alright. Let's go with the sub cage first. Definitely a very good color match. These are the 2 grip tapes for the pegs. I'm separate so I can put them on the way I want them. Good as crazy, huh? Alright, so check that out. Also another bike like that. Looks like it's got the nice emblem on there. These are the bolts to take out the pugs. Very good. Mountain bracket for your exhaust if you need it. I don't need it, but I think I'm going to use that to mount my tag. It looks really good. Color match is insane. It's perfect color. Awesome. Alright. And the reason we're all here, the main cage. What's up, buddy? Looks like Zane came to join us. This is good packaging. They weren't letting nothing happen to this. This is crazy. I respect it. Keep in mind, they're one of the only people that have the shock absorbing engine cage up to, I believe, 2,200 pounds, which is ridiculous. I mean, this thing is the real deal. It's gonna save my bike after I just put $2 grand into it. You know, you don't want nothing to happen to it. So it's the main reason why I got it, just to protect the investment, but also with the intentions on maybe in the future doing a little bit of wheeling, stunting. That's undecided for now. And that looks awesome. Wow. It's nice. Very nice.
Lay it down right here.
So, let's see. Put it right there. And that's where the shock absorbing is. And that's good stuff. So there's one. You can show them a little once around while I get this other one open.
Custom tags.
Keep in mind, this is my first unboxing video, so sorry it's taking so long. But also the fact that they really package this stuff well. The other side open. Pretty much going to be the same thing, but if you're going to do an unboxing, you got to show everything, right? Alright, there's the other side here. Looks good, man. Obviously, keep in mind that's going to be the bottom bar, the bottom of the bike. Looks really good. Overall, 1 out of 5. I'm definitely giving them a 5. Maybe a 4.5. Quality is definitely there. This is strong stuff. Pucks are very durable. And like I said, customer service was great. When I checked up on the shipment, checked to make sure everything was going well, they sent me pictures throughout the entire process. Did take longer than expected, but I should have assumed that, being it's tax season, everybody wants to buy some shit for their bike. So that's it. Next video will be the installation. And once again, this is from my 07 Gsxr 1000. Aaron will look at it one more time, show you guys, and then we'll close out the video. Let me get a flashlight so you can see everything. It's definitely a very good color match. Looks good. It's very good. Shock absorbers are ridiculous. That's awesome. What's up, buddy? All right. We'll see you guys in the installation.
Roll out.